Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a super quick, just kind of bedroom cleaning, tidy up, nothing too crazy, some dusting, some vacuuming, but really just my bedroom has just completely exploded with laundry and just random stuff. My bedroom kind of got neglected through the holiday season and I just really needed to get in there and really just take some attention, pay some attention to it and put laundry away where it should be, refold laundry, that sort of thing. So that's what this video is. You will see Evelyn in this video, my daughter. She'll be popping in and out. You'll see my cat as well. So yeah, so that's what this video is. It's just, like I said, super quick, nothing too crazy, just me getting the bedroom together. And then also my next video is actually going to be me handling my closet because my closet is also a nightmare. So yeah, so that's what today's video is. Real quick, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed in the past, I guess, couple weeks. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, so welcome to the YouTube family. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you to everyone, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, for supporting me and leaving me a lot of fun, awesome, sweet comments on my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the thumbs ups. So yeah, so I'm going to let some music play, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes, and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but I never wanted you more than I do tonight. Escape with me.
jaw, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me